Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for an unbelievable adventure with the unique letter? Today we are learning all about the amazing letter U. Let's find out what makes U so useful and unique.
Umbrella opens when it rains, keeping us dry, no water stains. Uniform neat, crisp and bright, worn by heroes shining so white. Up, reach for the sky, jump so high and give it a try. Umpire calls, that's a score, cheering crowds shout for more. Utensils help us eat with ease, spoons and forks for food we please. Unicorn gallops, sparkles fly, a magical friend who loves the sky. Under the table a kitty hides, peeking out with curious eyes. Uncle tells stories wise and true, adventures old and lessons new. University big and grand, where we learn and understand.
Now let's trace the letter U together. Grab your fingers and follow along. Wow, you did an unbelievable job today. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep exploring. See you next time for another unique adventure. Bye bye.